Let's navigate Tradingview's multi-window capabilities. To enhance your trading analysis, begin by opening the chart of your chosen asset. Locate the layout icon. Typically found in the top menu bar, it often resembles a grid or a cluster of squares, usually positioned near chart settings or the symbol search bar. Clicking the layout icon reveals a selection of predefined arrangements for observing multiple timeframes. Consider a 2x1 or 2x2 layout as a practical starting point. Choose a layout that fits your preference for this demonstration. We'll select a 2x1 layout, which provides two distinct chart panes. With the layout applied, your asset will appear in each pane. The critical step is assigning different timeframes first. Click on the left chart pane to make it active, then find the timeframe selection button, usually displaying the current timeframe like 1D or 1H. Click on the timeframe selector, choose a longer timeframe, such as daily or weekly, to analyze the broader market trend. Next, click on the right chart pane. To activate it, return to the timeframe selector for this pane. Select a shorter timeframe, like 1 hour or 15 minutes, to examine recent price action and pinpoint potential trading entries or exits. To ensure both charts are tracking the identical asset, you can easily copy the ticker symbol from one chart and paste it into the other's. Symbol search. Tradingview commonly synchronizes this automatically when using layouts. This process can be extended to more panes, creating arrangements like 3x1, 2x2, or more intricate layouts. This facilitates simultaneous viewing of your asset across weekly, daily, 4-hour, 1-hour, and even 5-minute charts. By comparing the patterns and signals across these multiple timeframes, you'll develop a more profound understanding of market sentiment and identify more reliable trading opportunities. This is the core of effective multi-timeframe analysis. Mastering these layouts is a transformative skill for any trader happy charting.